Clear communication is essential for frontline teams. Whether you're managing healthcare staff, logistic operators, or manufacturing crews, the challenge is the same. How do you keep everyone informed and aligned, especially in fast-paced, high-stakes environments? In this video, we're going to explore how leveraging an LMS, a learning management system, can transform the way you communicate with your frontline workforce. Frontline teams often work in dynamic settings where they're not sitting in front of a computer all day. They're on the shop floor, out on deliveries, or providing patient care. Traditional communication methods like email or paper notices just don't cut it. Messages get lost, updates are missed, and before you know it, crucial information fails to reach the people who need it the most. That's where an LMS designed with communication in mind comes in. An LMS can do much more than deliver training. It's also a powerful communication tool. Here's how. First, it centralizes your communication. From company-wide announcements to shift-specific updates, everything is stored in one place. This ensures employees have a single source of truth, accessible anytime, anywhere. Second, an LMS can deliver messages in real time, whether it's a new safety protocol, a last-minute schedule change, or a critical compliance reminder. The system ensures that information reaches your frontline staff instantly. Lastly, with mobile access, employees can stay connected no matter where they are. They receive important updates on their smartphones, ensuring no one is out of the loop, even during a busy shift. Effective communication isn't just about pushing out information. It's about creating a dialogue. An LMS can facilitate this by allowing employees to ask questions, provide feedback, and even report issues directly through the platform. This two-way communication fosters a culture of transparency and trust. Employees feel heard, and managers can address concerns quickly, improving both morale and operational efficiency. When frontline teams are informed and engaged, they work more efficiently and confidently. They understand their roles, comply with regulations, and feel like valued members of the organization. In industries where split-second decisions matter, this level of alignment can make all the difference. A well-utilized LMS becomes more than the tool. It's the backbone of your communication strategy. At iTacit, we specialize in helping organizations streamline communication with their frontline teams through our LMS platform. If you are ready to enhance how you connect with your workforce, visit iTacit.com to learn more.